This is part 2 of switching my wardrobe for the fall and winter. In part 1, I went through all my summer clothes and put away items I was not going to use until next season. And in this video, I am going through all the fall and winter clothes I had in storage, and I will go through new additions at the end, so stay tuned for that. Let's jump in and start with accessories and special pieces. I don't remember where I got this from. I like it for the thick of winter. These are very cool. You can do a tactile. It basically works on a phone screen for you to use the phone screen when you're outside and it's very, very cold. So that's super cool. Ear protectors I bought years and years and years ago during my first winter in New York City. I will not get rid of this even though I haven't worn it in a long time. It's one of the sentimental items that I own. Very fancy leather gloves. Okay, a completely random but super fun onesie. Sometimes when I party with my friends, we do sort of not pajama parties, but you know, it's basically onesies parties, so everyone wears fun onesies. So this is a perfect one to use in one of these occasions, or just at home if it's super, super cold, or like on a ski trip or something. A little tail. Yeah, this is a gift from my mom actually. It's so cute. It's just that this color doesn't really suit my skin tone. I love it though. But maybe I'll donate it to my friends so it can have a full life. Yes. Another crazy onesie. This one is like a Christmassy onesie. Yeah, it's just a fun item. That's a gift from my mom. She likes winter items. Well, I was born in December, so my birthday is right before Christmas. And so she does gift me a bunch of very cute winter accessories because this is the season, you know. So she bought this one and this one. These are like loop scarves, and they do work with a bunch of different outfits, although I noticed I didn't really wear this one. That's such a fun item. Look, that was from a donation pile. The fur, the faux fur, you can tell that it's a faux fur. It's so obvious. It's not the best quality, but just the shape of this I thought was so interesting, like this over-the-shoulder fur, giving rich lady from the 60s or from the 50s vibe. So I think I'm just gonna keep it. This is the skirt that I made from scratch, based on the A-line skirt that I showed you earlier. It fits really nicely. It's a really nice, interesting velvet fabric with some embroidery on top. I really like this. In the winter, it looks great. I did such a good job for this item. Invisible zipper in the back. I did the lining. I mean, honestly, good job me, you know. Very cute skirt, faux leather. The fit is perfect. The texture is really nice on this skirt with a little zipper in the back. Okay, this was thrifted and I just adjusted the waist because it was a bit too big when I bought it. And it's such a nice skirt from Karl Lagerfeld, and it works really well with a white turtleneck or a black turtleneck. It's really nice for the season. And one time I wore it on the street and a girl said, "Oh, it's giving Clueless vibes." And I had no idea what she was talking about. I had never seen the movie, so I had to Google it to know if it was a compliment or if it was just something that she said about the skirt, you know. And this is a thick corduroy, white corduroy skirt. It's pretty short. This one has the scallop hem, so it's very cute and nice and thick and warm for the winter. This one is velvet, but it's short. This one is not stretchy, and it's very nice in the winter. It looks like it's corduroy because it was folded next to the corduroy skirt. So you know what's funny? There was something I didn't like about this skirt, and I just realized what it is. And it's okay, I'll still wear it, but it's the fact that the nap of the velvet, I like the nap to go downwards so that when you wear a garment, you can brush the nap down and it's nice and smooth, but it's upside down here. So when you brush the nap down, it's not nice and smooth. And then the last one is an end of the story skirt. The previous one was also end of the stories. It's a little bit of a stretchy fabric and a stretchy waist, which is perfect. And you can tuck a sweater under the waist if you need. So the fit is beautiful. It's high-waisted. Really like this one. All right, for my favorite sweaters, this is one of them. The color, this green color is incredible, and it's like the softest yarn. So I wear this one a lot. I wear this one a lot too. Actually, my cousin's wife owned the same one, and I think it fits her really well too. This is from End of the Stories. Again, the stripes I can wear with a bunch of different colors in my wardrobe. Black, white, and this taupe color. It's really nice. Beautiful turtleneck from End of the Stories. Very, very soft, nice color. It works with black, it works with off-white, cream. That's a thin turtleneck from Uniqlo. Nice color. On camera, it's not the right color at all, actually. It just shows a little more orange on camera than in real life. That's the other color of the turtleneck I got at Uniqlo. Thick turtleneck from Uniqlo. I think it's a little too tight, but still it's a good basic, so I'm keeping this. All right, this is literally the softest piece, the softest garment I own, and it's from Zara, and I should have bought like 5 of these because it's so soft, and I had so many compliments on this. It's this pale yellow, so very like cool yellow that works on my skin tone. That was a donation from a friend. Super comfy, love this pajama. Also, it's just the top. I don't have a bottom to go with it, but I really like it. Maybe I can make a pair of matching pants in this navy color, since I have some fleece left from covering my cuddle puddle lounge area, so I could use the fleece to make a matching pair of pants. Amazing. This is a super comfortable pair of pants, also a donation from a friend. I usually wear this with a black top, a Heatech Uniqlo black top. This I made myself. It's a very nice pink, like a warm, deep pink that I really like. It's very thick, so it's perfect when it's a little cold. I finished the dress thanks to my roommate at the time, who said even though it wasn't perfect, I should totally push through and finish the dress. And you know, I'm so glad that she told me I should just finish it, because I was like unsure. I was like, oh, it has a bunch of flaws that I could only see the flaws. And I'm actually so glad that I finished it, because it's totally wearable even though it's not perfect at all. I did make it a long time ago. I'm very happy that it's in my wardrobe, and I cherish this dress. This is like this huge knit dress, and I usually wear it with a huge with a belt, an elastic belt. Yes! No, that's not the pair. Shit. Oh, I thought it was. Okay, I hope I kept them. I don't think I did. Fuck. This is the black pair of leggings. I showed you all the other leggings I have. This is the black pair of leggings from Uniqlo. I was looking for another pair of jeans that I had, a black pair of jeans from Uniqlo that had a little bit stretch to them, and I think I donated them because it faded completely, but it was the perfect fit. I should not have donated them because I could have used them to make a pattern, so I hope I didn't donate them. We'll see. I'm back from the clothing swap I did with my friends, and I figured I'll just show you my new additions to this fall wardrobe. So this first top is a mesh top, and I thought the print was very interesting, and I also really liked the colors. A bunch of neutrals, beige, black, white, brown that I can wear with a bunch of different items. In fact, with this pants it could totally work in terms of colors. And it is a very, very, very soft, high quality mesh. So not my typical style, but I figured I could, you know, find use for it. And it's a bodysuit, which I do have a bunch of bodysuits. Next, this one is very interesting. This is a pajama set. I actually was thinking after I did my reorganization earlier this week that I really kind of would want a pajama that is not as warm as the 2 or 3 pajamas I have, the winter pajamas, fleece, that are super warm. So this is actually the perfect find. So I've got the top here and the bottoms, just, you know, a pair of pants with an elasticated waist. It's just perfect. It's like exactly what I needed, really, like not too warm, but, you know, nice and comfortable with long legs. So that's my second find, pajamas. I also found 2 cool t-shirts. This one is from Victoria's Secret. It looks brand new. Really like this color. Very nice purple color here. So I guess this will be more for the house, but very nice. The fabric is a little thick, but also seems pretty breathable. So that's a cool find, just a simple t-shirt. This is another simple t-shirt for the house. It's this very nice bluish lavender. So very cool. Then I've got this really cool sparkling top. The fabric is very interesting. Let's see if I can show you on camera. It's a subtle sparkle, so it's probably going to be very elegant here on the edges of my shoulders, as I prefer boat necklines and, you know, like basically over the shoulder necklines look really good on me. So I do need to adjust the length of the sleeves because it's very, very long, like abnormally long. I would need to remove like maybe 4 or 5 inches, but maybe it's meant to be worn like with, you know, extra fabric on the sleeves, but I don't really like that look. So I think I'll just take in the sleeves. That would work really well with maybe like my long velvet skirt for New Year's Eve or something. But it doesn't have to be like New Year's Eve. It could be like literally just a cool night at the restaurant. So, and the inside is pretty soft, which for something that has some metallic threads or that's a little sparkly, it's usually not soft. It's usually pretty scratchy. So, but this one, the inside is fairly soft. This is just like a very small scrap of fabric that, you know, I figured I'd just take it because I'm pretty much the only seamstress in the group. So I know I'm probably gonna find use for this one day. This here is a little pin to put on a jacket or something, so maybe I'll give that to a friend who has a lot of them. And to finish, I found these 2 pair of tights. One is this red burgundy color and the other is this gray color. They're both like the same model. It's like a lace, and I thought it could be interesting in the winter. I really like to wear interesting tights especially in the fall and early winter. So I figured I could use these 2. I like the gray more actually. Alright guys, that was it for my fall wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got some inspiration. My friend here, Florent, is making fun of me for filming my outro. Life of a YouTuber. You've seen him in my previous videos. He just got to New York City. So I really hope you had a good time looking at my clothes, which between you and I is a bit weird. Like, why would you want to look at my clothes? I hope to see you in the next video. I'm gonna post more sewing videos very soon, so background noise! Thank you so much for watching until the end, and see you next time for some sewing content or DIY, or you never know what I'm gonna post, so bye!